Hey y'all, and welcome to the Creeping Fig Cottage Kitchen. Here at the Creeping Fig Cottage, we love all things vintage. So tonight we are reaching all the way back to 1973 to have dessert. We are getting our recipe from the Better Homes and Gardens Encyclopedia of Cooking Volume 2. Tonight's dessert is actually an appetizer. The Tropic Isle appetizer, to be specific. Let's dive in, shall we? According to our recipe, we are gonna combine 1.5 cups of chilled pineapple juice. To that, we are going to add 1/2 cup of orange juice. There we go. Now the recipe calls for 2 drops of aromatic bitters. If you like bitters, I imagine you could go a little heavier. We're gonna stick with 2. And give that a stir. Now we need to divide this into our glasses evenly. Now that we've given everybody pineapple juice, orange juice, and bitters, according to our recipe, we are going to tilt our glass and add ginger ale. To top this off, we are going to place on top a healthy scoop of pineapple sherbet. If you've ever had a Tropic Isle appetizer, please let us know in the comments. There you have it, folks. From 1973, a Tropic Isle appetizer. Now we're gonna hand one of these off to the Makey boys and give it a taste test.
Pretty good. It's like a fancy ice cream float.